Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. So today in this video we are going to learn how to add images in the Salesforce email templates. So in this video you will learn the method of adding images in Salesforce Lightning email templates as well as in Salesforce Classic email templates. So first let me show you a demo email template that I've created in Salesforce Lightning. So as of now I logged into my Salesforce developer account, and from here I will navigate to the Lightning email templates. So for that I will click on the app launcher and here search and select Lightning email templates, or you can simply search email templates. So here you can see these are the custom email templates that I've created. So this is the template in which I have added an image that is contact update template. And as I scroll down, you can see and here in the message content, you can see this is the message over here of the email, and below this you will see the image that I've added in this email template. So how you can do it? So for that I will show you how you can create an email template with an image. So for that I will go back to the email templates, and here I will create a new email template. So I will name this email template as account follow up, and entity type for this template is going to be account. So the related entity type is the object for which you are creating this template. So here we have selected the entity as account. That means this email template will be available for the account emails only. So after this you have to scroll down and here enter subject for the template. So and here I will create the body of the email. So it will be, and here I will insert the resource to take the account name dynamically. So for that, scroll down and click on this curly braces, insert a merge field. So I will take account name, and after this I will complete the rest of the message. And after this, now comes the part where we have to add the image in this email template. So to add an image, you have to simply click on this image drop down. So when you hover the cursor over this image icon, you will see the message insert images into your message. So you have to click on this drop down, and here you will see two options, that is browse or upload. And then the second option is the web image. So the web image is the URL link, and make sure that when you are adding a URL link, then it should be accessible and public URL link. So here I'm going to browse the image, and you can see these are the images owned by me. And if you want to upload an image from your desktop or your system, so for that you have to click on the button upload image, and from here you can browse and select the image. For example, I am selecting the image. So with this the image will be uploaded over here. So as you can see, the image is appearing in the Lightning email template, and along with this I will show you how you do it for the images that are already in your system. Those images that are owned by you or shared with you will appear over here, and you have to simply select it from here. For example, I will select this logo and click on the insert button. So now you can see these two images are appearing over here, and at last I will add thank you message. So this is how you will add image in your Lightning email templates. And now we will test that email body showing the images. So for that, first I will save this email template, and now I will go to the accounts because we have created this template for the accounts object. And here I will select an account and we will send an email, and then we will see the images are appearing in the email body or not. So for the testing purpose, I have entered my email for this account, and here I will send an email to this account. So to send an email, we will go to the activities, and from here we will send an email to the account. And for the email, we are not going to use this email body. For this, we are going to select the email template that we have created. So to select the email template, you have to scroll down and then click on this icon, insert create or update template, and from here select insert a template, and then we will select the email template that we have created right now, and make sure the email template is in the folder from where you can access it. So this is the email template that we have created right now with an embedded image. So here I will click on the insert button, and here you can see the image is appearing over here, and at last I will click on the send button. So here it is showing that recipient name is not accepted. So as of now we will skip this part, and let's see the image is appearing in the email or not. And again I will click on the send button, and so as you can see that email is sent. And now I will go to the email. So as you can see, this is the email template that I have used to send the email, and here you can see both of the images that we have embedded in the Lightning email template. So this is how you can add an image in the Salesforce Lightning email template. So now let's move ahead to the next part where we will see how you can add images to the Salesforce classic email templates. So for that, again, I will navigate to my developer console. So right now I'm on the setup page of Salesforce Lightning, and from here I will navigate to the classic setup. For that, click on the profile icon and here select switch to Salesforce classic. So first we need to navigate on the email templates. For that, first go to the setup of the classic and here go to the quick find box and here search and select email templates. And so here you can see under the heading communication templates, you will see classic email templates. So you have to click on it, and from here you have to select the email template in which you want to add the image. So for that I will take the custom classic email template, that is follow up contact. So here you have to simply open this template but not in the edit window. So I will simply click on it, follow up contact email template, and here you will see the email body of the template, and below it you will see in section attachments. So in attachment you can upload the images that you want to show along with the email body. So for that you have to click on the button attach file. So here it will show you the 3 steps: select the file, click the attach button, and then click done. So first we have to choose the file and make sure that the file is not larger than the 25 MB. So the size of file should be less than 25 MB. So for example, I will select this image to show in the attachment, and after this click on the open button and then click attach file. So as you can see, the file is uploaded. So at last we will click on the done button. So as of now, the image is added as an attachment to this classic email template. So this custom email template is related to the contact entity. So I will send an email to a contact and show you how this image appears in the attachment. So for that, I will navigate to the contacts tab. So this is the contact to whom I'm going to send the email with the help of the email template in which we have added the attachment. So here I will go to the activity history and then click on send an email. So this is going to be the email address. So this is my email for testing purpose. And here instead of writing the email body, we will select the email template. And before that, we need to enter the subject. So here click on the button select template. So here the custom email template in which we have added the image as attachment was follow up contact. So from here we will select the template and at last we will send the email. So here you can see in the attachment section, you will see the image that we have added in this email template as attachment. At last we will click on the send button and now I will open the email. So this is the email and you can see this email body showing the message that is follow up meet for the contact. And after this, in the attachment you can see this is the image that we have uploaded in this classic email template. But instead of showing this image as a attachment, if you want to show this image in the email body, then what you can create a public shareable link for that image, and then you can add that link in the email template. So how you can do that? So first you have to go to the folders tab. So from here I will go to the files tab. So it was not folders tab, it was files tab. And also you can do it with the documents also. So I'm going to upload the file here. So here as you can see, these are the already uploaded images in the files. And if you want to upload an image from a system, so then you can go to the upload files, and from here you can browse and select the image that you want to display in the email template. For example, I want to display this logo image in the email template. So what we will do, we have to click on the drop down button over here and then select share via link, and before that check the sharing settings of the image and make sure that you have set the permission that any user can view this image via link. So here you can see we have set the settings according to that. So now I will close it and again click on this drop down icon and here select the option share via link. So as you click on it, you will get the shareable link. So you have to copy this link from here, and after copying the link, go back to the classic email template in which you want to add the image. So this was the email template in which we want to display the image. So here I will open it in edit mode, and then in the email body we will paste the link of the image. So with this image you will be able to display a link, but in this the image will not be directly displayed like what we used to see in the lightning email templates. So here we will click on the save button and again I will go to the contact to send an email. So again we are going to send email to this contact. So here we will select the same email template in which we have added the image as a link, and at last we will click on the send button. So now I will check the image. So this is the email template, and so here you can see the image link, and in the sharing settings of this link we have set it to public so that every user and the receiver will able to see the image through this link. So as we click on link, it will display the image that we have uploaded in the files. So as you can see, this is the image. So with this approach you can not directly show the image, but you can add a link through which the user can see the image. So this is how you can add image in the Salesforce classic email template. And I hope that you have liked this video. Then please do like, share and subscribe us. And do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get regular updates of our upcoming videos. And thank you for giving your time and watching this video till last. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.